Hi lovelies, thank you all for clicking on this video. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Today I'm sharing with you this assorted meat pepper soup or light soup recipe with you all, which I use pork meat and also cow meat. You are definitely going to love this recipe. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, why don't you subscribe, hit that bell also, so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Let's get started. So for this soup recipe, I'll be needing my carrots. You can use any vegetable of your choice, and I'm also going to go in with 2 medium-sized onions and my pepper. The pepper is totally to your taste. Add some water to it, cover it, and allow it to cook until it is soft enough to blend. So whilst that is going on, I'll go ahead and add in my washed pork meat, and I'll also add in some salted pork and salted beef to give the soup extra flavor. Okay, add in some cow meat, which is very fresh. You can use any meat of your choice. And to seasoning the meat, I'll go in with some garlic, ginger, and onion powder, and some homemade pepper soup spice mix. I'll add in my homemade seasoning salt recipe and the salt to taste. Next, I'll add in my tomato paste or tomato puree. Add a generous amount of water to it, cover it, and allow it to steam very well. So we are back to check on our vegetables, and it's soft enough for us to blend. Make sure to cut your carrots before you blend, okay, because we don't want to mess up our blender at all. If you haven't used carrots for your soup recipes before, you are missing out a whole lot of goodies. So I'll add in my fresh ginger and also my fresh garlic, and I will be blending it alongside with my vegetables. And so we are back to check on our meat also, and it's doing all perfect, very juicy, but the stock on the meat is a little bit light. So I'll stir, cover it again on medium heat for about 5 to 10 minutes and allow it to thicken up a little bit. And also remember that the more your sauce thickens up beautifully, the more your soup also will taste so delicious. All right, so we are back to check on it after 5 more minutes, and do you see that the sauce has really taken up beautifully? So I'll add in my blended vegetables. And if you do really watch my light soup recipes, I don't usually strain my vegetables because I don't want it. Okay, make sure to blend your vegetables to achieve a very smooth consistency, so you don't worry yourself straining your vegetables. Okay, all right, so next I'll go in with my Idan fruit to give the soup extra flavor. Okay, and obviously this soup is not going waste today without eating it with fufu. Okay, all right, so now let's cook this soup until it is nice and ready. Okay, so to my lovely foodie members right here and new subscribers, you guys are too much. High five to everyone. Thank you for liking my video, sharing and commenting on my videos. I am truly grateful. And if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. And now the soup is all ready now. Just look at that. This looks so delicious and very, very mouth-watering. You can also enjoy this soup with your fufu, your banku, your rice ball, your ampesi, just name it. It goes well with everything. You are definitely going to love this soup recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point. And if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are a proud foodie member. And if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you for watching.